So now let's look at step 6, which is the final step in the project internalization template, and this is how to plan your project. When you go into the Summit Learning platform and you click on one of the projects, at the very top underneath the title of the projects, there's an Overview tab and there's a Plans tab. You will find the day-to-day pacing plans underneath the Plans tab, so click on the Plans tab that's right up here. You will be able to click through the days in the left and look for where checkpoint 1 will be referenced in the proposed plan. As you click on the day tabs, you will find suggested pacing and activities for each day of the project. You are able to adjust this daily plan to meet your own needs from start to finish for this project. You may choose to adjust daily plans in order to fit your class time. If you have 45-minute time periods or class periods, then you might have to adjust and chunk the pacing a little bit different. So that's where you would look at it. In the proposed plan, it tells you there's 35 minutes for this portion of the project and there's 15 minutes for this portion of the project. If you want those to fit within one class period, you might have to adjust the pacing. When you are ready to plan out your lessons, consider drafting a lesson calendar that fits into your school's schedule. The district has provided a calendar here so that you can make a rough draft, and then you can take your rough draft and you can compare it to the planning that's in the actual Summit platform. Once you have created your rough draft for the pacing of the project and you compare it to the plans that are in the Summit platform and you have made the adjustments necessary, you have finished step 6 of the project internalization template.